Let's be honest, the perfect picture doesn't take itself. Even the best shot photos still need work done to fix mistakes, enhance lighting, and make the picture ready for a billboard in Times Square or a holiday card to send to loved ones. Adobe's Photoshop is one of the most widely known and used programs, with over 90% of the world's creative professionals using Photoshop. Not only can you edit and enhance your photographs, but you can also create illustrations and paintings, 3D graphics, and animations. This course will prepare students for Adobe's Photoshop certification exam. Students who pass the exam will be accredited as an Adobe Certified Expert in Photoshop, which can open doors and opportunities in the world of photography and design. In this course, students can start with zero experience and learn how to navigate and work in Photoshop. They'll learn about project setup, organizing documents, creating visual elements, and publishing digital media. This course will give students the foundation they need to start using Photoshop and all of the fantastic tools and features that it offers.